Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neff. Today we're going to talk about how much we spent on this Jeep. I want to first thank our sponsors. Me. No, we don't have sponsors, guys. But look, I'm going to tell you guys, we bought this Jeep used. We wanted a little project vehicle so we can go off-roading and do everything here in the desert. And I have a list here of all the stuff we have already placed. And two things that we're still waiting on, which is the rocker arm and push rod kit and the timing chain kit. Because it does have a little tick, not all the time, but usually when it warms up, it starts ticking, then it goes away, then it comes back. So I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I have replaced and why I have replaced it and what we have left. And I'm hoping that the little tick goes away after we replace all this. But let's go, I'm gonna show you guys what we have here. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see everything that we have done to this Jeep. Out of pocket, by the way, so you know next time if you do buy a used Jeep, you got a lot of this stuff I've installed myself. So I've saved money, you know, paying a mechanic. So let me show you guys what we have. Alrighty guys, so first of all, we're starting out. This is a 1999 Jeep Wrangler. It's got a 2.5 4-cylinder. We've already replaced the main bearings, which I did myself. There's videos of me showing it. The rod bearings, the oil pan gasket, rocker arm and push rods, and the timing chain kit are shipped. So as soon as I get those, we will be making a video showing you guys how to replace them so y'all can save some money as well. We did the oil pump. We Raptor lined the hood. We still have a lot of product there, which we'll be using on another part of the Jeep. We got seat covers. We got the battery hold on, which I didn't have one, and you know, we're going off road, that's needed. We did rough country shocks front and rear. Those are $350. We did the rough country cold air intake, $129. Didn't really need it, I just wanted a cold air intake. We did the seat belts, $45.99. Front bumper signals, which are right here. We had to replace them because the other ones were looking raggedy. We did the rear tail lights, which are right here. We did both sides because we didn't have a reverse light on this thing. And since I'm gonna be using it on the road as well, I wanted to make sure, you know, the law didn't get me. Then we bought the grab handles and the grill inserts, which are right here. The reason I got those are plastic, but it prevents rocks and stuff from going in through there and destroying the radiator because it didn't have nothing on there. So guys, that comes out to a total of $1,317.92. And that's me doing the work. So imagine if you're not a mechanic and you don't know what you're doing and you go ahead and have somebody put all these parts on there, it's gonna come out very expensive. So these are the seat covers we put on it. Nothing major, you know, not expensive stuff, but we had to because the seats didn't look too nice. Here are the grab handles. The reason I wanted these because you get lights. So inside the Jeep, you know, we didn't have lights, so bada bing, bada boom. One on that side, one on this side. And then, so you can see the hood, it is Raptor line. Guys, this is amazing, very solid. I'm impressed, man. And we did this ourselves. Me and my daughters worked on this. You know, there's some spots that still, you know, just so you know, it takes like 7 full days to cure. 24 hours to the touch. 1 hour to touch. And 7 days to fully cure. So that's why we still have some shiny areas over here, but guys, impressive. So guys, there it is. These little projects do take some money, and you don't know how to put stuff on, it does become very expensive. Like y'all seen, $1,300 in parts and stuff, and I've installed everything myself. So, but we're about to have fun with this thing. So once we get that other stuff on there, that's it. Look at that, guys. Very, very nice. Oh, that dent over there, we already have stuff on order so we can fix it. So it'll be nice and good to go. There it is, guys. Well, if you like what you're seeing, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and guys, have a blessed one.